Good morning, YouTube. It is Wednesday, October 6th. This video is going to be a little different from the normal. I know that's surprising. But anyway, also too, I picked up a couple of new subscribers over the weekend. Thank you and welcome to the channel. But like I said, this one is going to be a little different. A couple of videos back, I said something about Allis Chalmers coming into the shop for some paint work. Well, it's here, and I'm gonna put a picture up of what it looked like when I got it, and then I'll show you what it looks like now. And here it is now. Completely different, huh? It is amazing how simple these tractors were and how well they worked. Anyway, what's left on the tractor itself is the throttle control arm and the seat mount spring. And then I have to finish disassembling the 3-point hitch, so that can be sandblasted. And we'll walk up here to the front. Oh, and I got to take this off. I just didn't want to take it off yet. But anyway, the grill's done, the tank, the seat, the shutters, the hand clutch lever, the fenders, toe board, and the toe board frames. So anyway, well, that's it. And also the center piece is also done. But anyway, so like I said, I know that there's a couple guys that watch my channel, Donnie and Farmer Dave. I know y'all both like orange tractors, so I thought I would do a little quick video on this one and let you see where it's at and see how I'm progressing with it. And I will get back on the Cub motor, but the owner of this one is kind of wanting it, you know, by Thanksgiving, to pull the hay wagon around at his farm and stuff, you know, so the kids can go pick pumpkins for Thanksgiving decorations. And of course, we probably won't have Halloween again this year. But anyway, it's just like, I guess he's going to do Christmas trees as well. So anyway, so he's kind of wanting it back by the middle to the end of November. Like I said, right before Thanksgiving. So I'm going to do my best to accommodate him and get it back to him. So anyway, so that's it. It's, like I said, it's a 1954 Allis Chalmers CA. And if you like stuff like this, just leave it in the comments and I'll make another video and I'll go through the painting process and the prep process if that's something you're interested in and would like to learn how to do. I'll be glad to show it to you, how I do it. So that doesn't necessarily mean it's correct, but it's the way I've been doing it for 30 years. So anyway, well, that's it. We're gonna really make YouTube mad and only make a 3.5 minute, 4 minute video. So anyway, well, that's it. That's the CA. Thanks for tuning in and watching. And if you'd like to see more on this tractor, please leave it in the comments and I'll be glad to accommodate you. Have a good day.